Hi there and welcome back. After a long time I'm now back with another unboxing. So also my voice, I'm getting a little bit sick, so please excuse my voice, I'll do my best. But let's not wait any further and let's get this baby open after the intro. So as you can see here, and as you probably all read in the description and the title, that's probably why you're all here for, this is the FeiyuTech A2000 in the dual grip handle edition. Ta-da! There's nothing more in the box here, so we're gonna put it away, just this awesome case here, which is about the size of my arm, a little bit further, 40 to 45 centimeters long. Let's get it open. So I really think this is a great thing that they include a carrying case for this in the box, because it's going to be really hard to move it around otherwise. So the first thing that greets us in this top compartment here is what seems like a letter from FeiyuTech. Hello FeiyuTech. What is this? Warranty cards and stuff like that. I suppose also a user manual, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, should be it. Yeah. User manual in English and what seems to be Chinese. This thing here doesn't fall off. And ta-da! Here comes the beauty. So, I'm not really even sure where to start because this is just full with stuff, so I'm going to start with small things. We have 2x2, so 2 sets of batteries here. They're upside down. And I read that one set should last you about 12 hours. Okay, next we got the charger for the batteries. So it charges 2 at a time, as it seems. Yep. But it's nice that they include 2 sets of it for longer shooting days. That's a great thing to do. Next we got this little cardboard box here. It also has the FeiyuTech brand logo on it. I don't know, I'll try later with a knife. So we should be done soon. Here is another, this is to connect your camera to the gimbal, so you can control it with the gimbal controls. It's a 3.5 millimeter on a very weird connector. We'll try that out in a minute. And here we come to the gimbal in itself. So we'll start off with the one hand. This is the grip for if you want to use it in just one hand. You have the controls for your camera and the knob here. We have some extra buttons and an LED. The buttons are for mode and turning it on, so you can switch between different modes like normal or selfie mode. Then we have the trigger button, which triggers a photo, as it seems. And also a plug, a micro USB plug here, which is sealed under this rubber tab to keep it from getting water in there. In the back we have this huge button here, and I'm not sure what that does. If we unscrew this, so for the metal sound, you can see this is where you place the batteries. It has slot for 2, as previously mentioned. Also on the downside here, we have a connector to put this on a tripod, like that one. So you just screw it on top, put the gimbal on, the camera in, and then you can use it on a tripod. Oh, okay. We have a micro USB cable flying around in here too. This seems to be the connector for the gimbal on it. And take the dual handle out. The dual handle is a bit bigger and looks like this. So again, we have the charging compartment right here. And we also have the compartments where you can place like microphones, or I don't know, you could put a display monitor for the camera on there. They also fold in like this for easier transport, and you can lock them with these screws here. Now both of them are locked, and this will be the position as you keep it. Here is the gimbal attachment again. Okay, now on the right hand, or if you want to use it up or down, well, that's your decision, but on the right finger we have the same controls that we have on the one-handed side. There is something lying beneath here. There seems to be a lot of stuff hidden down there. What's this? This is, I see, a tiny tripod. We can mount the gimbal on and just place it on top of a table. Nothing special, it's all in plastic. Okay, so here is the gimbal for real. Now, this down here is the connector for where you're connected to either the dual handle or the single handle. And these here are the motors. That's why it's called a 3-axis gimbal. This is where you'll put your camera in here. This is a fast adapter so you can put in the camera and put it out faster. And you may have a quick look around. This is not the last thing in here. This should be the adapter for it to slide it in here. And also we seem to have another cable in here, which seems to be a 3.5 on 2.5 millimeter connector for reasons I don't know yet. Well, if I'm not mistaken, this should be all in here. And yeah, I'll set it up and try it out. So let's go.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be